Okay, we have a bird in
Big bird.
Tristan's room.
It's hanging on my shirt.
We're not sure where it was. It was here this morning. He went out, and now it's back. We're gonna try to catch the bird to get him out of the house. I'm not sure how we're gonna do it, but we gotta try.
Mom wants
Come
to
on.
record it first.
I got it.
Mom wants to record. Oh, thank you. I don't.
But wait.
What?
That's so big.
Yeah.
Do you want something smaller?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the pillow sheet.
This birdie's
Just
crazy.
no pillow sheets.
Yeah. I do. Where's my pillow? Oh, it's right over there. Dad, it's on my pillow. Over there.
Go get. Mom, can you hand me that?
Okay, I got
Or
it.
no,
I
you
got
can't.
it. I got it. Mom needs to record the bird
Oh,
that's
it's a
sitting.
finch.
Oh,
It's-
it is?
Yes, you can tell by the beak. Oh, it moved. Okay, it's looking at me.
What?
It's moving.
Oh, Donna, you scared of it
I'm not.
moving?
Look at it. It's so adorable.
Alright.
Chew that.
Please.
Scared of it.
It
I'm
is
gonna have to
cute.
move because I gotta stand.
It's so
there.
adorable.
Okay, can you be like, come
Oh,
on?
look at it blink. Oh, it's doing something with its throat. It's gonna throw up on my shirt. Oh.
Let's hope it doesn't poop.
Oh.
It's gonna poop.
Dang it.
I'm done.
Oh, God! Close my door! Close my door! Wait! You're trying to Wait, Tristen,
Get the sheet, Donna! Wait. Something is wrong with it. It keeps falling.
Because it keeps beating its head against everything and wings.
Oh, poor birdie.
Put it down, drop it.
Oh.
There's a
Calm
bird in
down.
my room. There's a bird in my room. There's a bird.
It's
in
right
my
there.
He keeps, something's wrong with it.
Maybe it's trying to find its nest.
Don't get it if you're gonna grab it, baby.
I got like the things in the way. Oh, hi.
Oh,
There you go.
It's right.
Oh. It's right under there. Let me take my shower.
What bird in the house?
It's too late.